You're going down like Donkey Kong. Nice move. If this was tic-tac-toe.
Ha! Checkmate!
Checkmate denied. Rage protocol activated.
When you think of robot chess, you probably imagine something like this. But in reality, it's this. Meet Cynus, an all-new AI robot companion that's designed to play chess with you. Now this guy is currently funding right now, so if you guys want to learn more about them, check out the link down below in the description, and together we'll be unboxing as well as trying it out and seeing exactly what it can do. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. All right, check it out. So this is the packaging, this here's the box. Let's take a look. Now, do note this is a prototype. The final product will look a little bit different. However, off the back, I love the fact that it is portable. So it has its own handle, designed to be a carrying case that you can transport it and then use it pretty much anywhere. All right, so let's set this thing up. The first thing you do is open it up, and then we're gonna go ahead and take everything out. So first take out our robot, hold it by the base when you do use it, is what they say, and then remove our chess pieces. So we have our black and white pieces. I'm just gonna go and flip this over. Let's take our robot, magnetically attaches to the back of this, just like that, it'll clip in there. It's very simple, very easy. There's like no crazy resistance. There's not an actual click. You can simply just kind of detach it. It's not like overwhelmingly strong, which is very important as well. And then you can go ahead and remove our pieces, and you wanna set them up. And to kind of give you a demonstration on how big the piece is, so like this is just one of them, it's about 1.3 inches. All right, so we're all set and ready to go. And this is kind of how you want to set it up. Now you want to make sure you have the queen piece for the particular robot over here in the corner. There's actually a little spot here that says queen, so just gonna do that just like that. You don't want to put anything on this side here, so if it does end up getting one of your pieces, it'll actually place them over here. You have your button here, and just a power button there to turn on our robot, which is already on. So it has this little screen here, kind of giving it a little bit of a personality. There's also a speaker there as well, so you can actually get some audio out of it too. I'm sure as time goes on, they'll go ahead and update it as well. Now, it does happen to have, looks like 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 degrees of freedom. So pretty interesting. So just like a standard robotic arm. All right, anyways, to try this thing out, so hold this button here and you can actually go into a setting to change the difficulty. So you got this little pawn that you can go ahead and lift up to the full. That I believe is the most difficult. So from there, to start, all you have to do is just move your piece, just like this. Hit this button here, it will turn red, and then the robot is now doing its move. This is so cool. All right, so start off using the horse. All right, we'll let it go. So we'll continue on here. Try another move. See how far we can get with this thing. It's now moving a pawn. Now note it is using magnets to kind of move the pieces around. So that's kind of neat too, on how that kind of works. So just kind of show you how it looks if it attacks me. So I'm assuming it's gonna get me. Oh, no, it's not. It's actually just gonna continue. All right, cool. Well, maybe because we went the easiest mode, but yeah, kind of gives you a fair share of how that plays out. All right, so we'll just continue on here. We'll take this guy and then hit that button there. Yep, just took your piece, man. What are you gonna do? Oh, you're gonna take mine. All right. So you can see how it does this. So it will go ahead and place it on one of the marker spots, and then it'll go ahead and move that piece there. So just kind of did the horse thing, the L. Let's move this guy over here. What are you gonna do, huh? Oh, bringing out the queen. Man, okay. This guy means business. Oh, already got me checked. That's also a check, but I could move him here. So we'll move him there and continue the play. All right. Okay, so it's gonna bring back that. Sure, no problem. So we'll take this piece. Again, just kind of collecting my pieces here. You know, surprisingly, it's actually quite quick in terms of response time. And then, you know, obviously it does move very quietly. So, you know, no loud servos or anything like that. And it's actually kind of fun because it kind of gives a little bit of personality. You can see him like this little standby animations as it's kind of waiting for me to make my move. It looks like it's kind of looking down. That's so cool. If you make a wrong move, Cynus catches it. Built-in sensors let it read the entire board, so you'll never have to lose track of the game. It's got 8 different difficulty levels, so if you're a beginner, it'll ease you in. And if you're advanced, this thing will challenge you. Cynus isn't just smart, it's travel ready. It folds up neatly, fits in a bag, and in the future, it can connect online if you want to battle a human opponent. But my favorite part is the robotic arm. It has these built-in animations giving it a lot more personality. Sometimes it'll hesitate, or even sometimes it'll celebrate. So that's Cynus, the robotic chessboard that plays smart, travels light, and low-key might just beat you. Should I let G1 challenge Cynus in a 1 vs 1 match? Drop a comment below and let me know. And with that said, if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like, comment, and of course subscribe for more future videos. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next video. Take care guys, bye-bye.